Welcome to the channel. I'm Bella Lafay. Cook at home with me. Enjoy our podcast.
Welcome to Culinary Conversations, the podcast that transforms kitchen skeptics into culinary enthusiasts. I'm your host, Bella Lafay, your culinary confidant, and the voice behind the apron.
Enjoy our website, where you'll find recipes, aprons, and t-shirts. And of course, enjoy the videos. Don't sleep on the job. Let's get to making this delicious, creamy, dairy-free, no churn, sugar-free ice cream. I hope you enjoy your time on the channel as much as I enjoy sharing my love for cooking with you. I hope you become comfortable with your journey as you cook at home with me.